Today, we will discuss JetBrains AI and Cursor. Both tools are designed to forecast and produce code, minimizing the manual typing needed from developers. They aim to offer precise and applicable recommendations depending on the context of the code being developed. Both are progressing towards more natural language engagement, enabling developers to converse with the AI in everyday English. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. JetBrains AI is intended to integrate effortlessly within the JetBrains collection of IDEs such as IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm, and others. This enables a profound contextual comprehension of your code. Its goal is to improve the current JetBrains workflow by offering AI support where it is most needed. Thanks to its deep integration, JetBrains AI is outstanding at delivering context-sensitive recommendations, grasping the intricacies of your project. Cursor is designed from the foundation with AI integrated as its essence. It's intended to function as a code editor powered by AI rather than merely an add-on. It strongly focuses on AI chat and code creation, enabling interactions in natural language. Cursor seeks to deliver a rapid and adaptable AI-enhanced coding experience, especially within the VS Code platform. Cursor is recognized for its capacity to swiftly produce code and manage edits across multiple files. All in all, if you are a dedicated JetBrains IDE user and value deep contextual understanding, JetBrains AI is a strong choice. If you prefer a more AI-driven coding experience and flexibility, particularly within VS Code, Cursor is a compelling option.